Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to create an account on the Odoo. So there are two type of accounts, that is Odoo Online cloud based and the self-hosted. Okay, so download and install locally on a server requires Python Postgres setup, best for the developers, that we are going to do. But for the Odoo Online, sign up for the odoo.com hosted by the Odoo, no setup needed, best for the learning and the quick demos, right? So first we do that one so that we can see what exactly it is, the dashboard and everything. So I have a look on that. So we will go with the odoo.com. So here we have the open source ERP plus CRM. Okay, so try it for free. Let's start with the trial. So sign in first. Don't have an account. Okay, so I'm going to add the new account, Rajnikant, email, Magento developer 93@gmail.com. Password, I'm going to put the password over there. That would not be working. Okay, sign up. Okay, so here you can see that we have now apps success, we have accounting, invoicing. Okay, so here you can see account, we have apps, all apps we have permission like this, sales, marketing, everything. We are going to just learn each and everything, like how we are going to create the accounting, invoicing, expenses, spreadsheets, documents, everything, CRM based websites, supply chain, everything. Okay, industries, they have book, everything they have, right? And the pricing, let's take a look. One app for free, one app unlimited users, Odoo Online, standard, all apps, Odoo Online, custom, all apps, SSH, on premises, Odoo Studio, and all this. So the account has been created. Now we are going to learn how we are going to use it. Okay, so this all the steps we have done, right? The dashboard. Okay, and no credit card needed. Don't use the fake email. Avoid this one. Pick India as a country and install more modules anytime. Okay, after that we are going to install modules and see how it gonna be work. Okay, so the episode for a two, like creating an account, is done. Moving to the next episode. Thank you so much for watching this video.